Who is it?
Oh,
Yeah, boy!
Yeah, there he is.
Can I control where he's looking? Oh no, he's just like all up in the camera's grill.
Like a mouse. Scott Shelby.
That scene was intense. It's not relaxing.
Well, it's one of my scenes, so I'm gonna find someone. They're not gonna talk to me at first, but then I'm gonna punch someone. Then they're gonna talk to me. So, you know.
I'll be too sure.
Punch an assailant now originally attacks your windows.
Yeah, he's back for blood.
I think actually, Stefan, you'll be surprised by this one.
third blood.
Well, if I'm not gonna punch someone, I'll find a way.
I'll punch something.
Pick up orange juice. Punch.
And then throw it at someone. Eat orange juice.
Oh, don't reach through the window, bro. Baby.
Oh, I'm gonna punch it.
Welcome. Come on. Open door. Can't knock on the
No
door and
answer.
ring the bell.
Baby screaming inside. Not a promising start.
Head around the back.
I'm kicking this
We're
door.
assuming that this person already lost a child and she's leaving her baby unattended. Lovely.
It's a bit more complicated than that.
Oh, she's dead, isn't she? Oh man.
Oh, who am I gonna have to punch to bring her back to life?
She's not dead.
Okay.
It's just complicated. I really should stop, shouldn't I?
Yeah,
I
James.
think there are two possible things that are going to be happening. And one of the options isn't sex.
There's a note.
Cool.
Anybody home?
Mrs. Bowles.
Mrs. Bowles. Oh, Jesus.
No, I can't take it.
Oh.
Take care of my baby.
Take care of my baby.
Okay, so I have to fight suicide.
Wait, yeah, find the suicide bit.
You have to walk around with a baby.
Hello, little cutie. Oh,
What are you
you're looking for
doing?
your mama.
Oh, someone committing suicide somewhere.
Biscuits and booze.
Hmm,
That's what we'll be having tonight.
exactly.
Oh man, man. Don't be dead.
Check it.
Okay, wait.
Don't check the bathroom.
What combination of turns is that?
Just push it up.
Right trigger.
You push
Yeah.
Oh,
it up.
up.
Mrs. Bowles. Mrs. Bowles, are you there?
Kick it in.
There we go.
Get in.
Oh,
Crap.
shit.
Oh, she's bleeding out.
No.
Elbow. Hey, bro,
Mrs. Bowles.
she's moderately attractive.
Mrs. Bowles, can you hear me?
Yeah, speaking to her wrist,
Wake
she'll
up!
hear you better.
Wake up!
I find it kind of funny that one of the actions in the room previously you were in is still optional. Glitch the game, Stefan.
Suicide. Hey, baby.
Put it on the bed.
Bow, chicka, bow, wow.
I can't stitch up her wrist.
Actually, get Hayden to help you with this. He's done medical stuff.
Oh, I got a bit stitches in it.
I've
I'm gonna
done
call an
medical
ambulance.
stuff.
No, I don't want to go to the hospital. Please.
Okay. You got something around here I can dress this wound with?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Don't move. I'll be right back.
Oddly calm for someone that just tried to commit suicide.
It's low blood pressure.
Oh.
And also, would be, yeah, no breakfast. Panicking people usually do that.
LBP.
Let's see.
We check
Need
the
this.
sink.
And this.
I got some toothpaste.
And this.
I'll brush my teeth whilst I'm doing it.
Shave.
Yeah, to be honest, I haven't seen this guy go to the toilet yet.
Oh man, hemorrhoids is what I gotta say. Push down. Not too hard, not too hard.
Oh god.
Still bleeding.
Okay.
I'm here for you, Susan. You'll be all right. I'll take care of you. Not perfect, but it'll do.
She was in a moderately nice trailer
Stay.
slash house.
Stay with me, Susan. Susan, do you hear me? Susan, stay with me. Can you hear me? Stay with me.
Plaster.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
There, I done what I can. That should stop the bleeding.
Get some to
Well,
eat.
luckily the wounds aren't too deep. Hey,
Yeah, remember, down the road, not across the street.
okay?
She did do down the road. That's what's so bad.
No,
My
it was
baby.
No, she went like that.
like, oh,
My baby needs me.
in that case, lol, that's a
Right.
bit better.
Yeah, she
You stay there.
didn't do it deep enough.
I'll take care of the baby. Okay?
How good are your feet?
No, I really want him just to walk out the room, you hear one gunshot, and he comes back in the room.
With a baby, I mean.
I'm a private eye. There's nothing I can't do.
That sounded almost sexual.
Her name is Emily.
It's a baby, it can't speak, lol.
It can, kind of.
From now on, your name's Forrest. Hi, Forrest. What's up?
Oh, bloody hands. Oh, the baby's bloody. Oh, no, no.
No, you just gotta wash your hands.
Wash hands quick. You drink booze.
Wash hands, drink booze, watch TV.
Okay.
Then
Drive
look
car.
up.
Guess
Oh,
I'll
milk.
Yeah.
Warm up some milk.
Wash. Milk. Wash. Grab milk.
I guess I have to go. Oh, it's busy work. I'm gonna have to go then and be like, the baby needs milk.
Hi
You get
there,
all the
Emily.
fun jobs.
Yeah.
So,
Pushing the
what
swings.
seems to be the problem, huh? Oh, going by the smell. I got
You're
a
gonna need
pretty
some
good
milk.
idea.
I'm really gonna change the baby.
Yeah, change the baby.
Oh,
Yeah, my character hasn't had enough busy work yet.
this game is the definition of character development.
Okay. How do you do this again?
So much small talk. Yes, the baby.
My god. I never thought of all the things I'd see Stefan doing. I never thought I'd see him press a baby.
I don't want to see any fingers.
No, brother.
Oh,
that's
it's
not
called
the right
Emily,
way.
so I doubt you would.
You messed it up.
Okay. Let's start again.
Oh, what?
You messed it up.
Please, I do not want to watch you change the baby.
There you go, fresh new baby.
Oh,
That should feel better.
she's so cute.
Right, Emily?
Your name's Forrest. Now say it with me,
Hey,
Forrest. You got
what's the
magic
matter?
legs, Lieutenant
That
Dan.
was all the problem.
Bang, bang, ice cream! I'm gonna get you some ice cream.
You can walk, Lieutenant Dan.
Hey, what was that? After he lost his legs and he got like robot ones.
He got like
Peg
yeah,
legs.
he got 2 peg legs. He like swam to
I guess I
Hawaii.
better warm this thing up.
Ah, only one milk. This is a long film.
Yeah, I think we nearly got 3 hour mark.
Oh my god. That's nearly Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
Bloody who found the killer yet?
Yep.
Good thing I picked you
I
up.
mean,
your
by
dead.
now, Boromir and
Oh,
Gandalf
Emily,
would
you
have
hungry?
died.
You hold on. I'll just tilt this bottle a little bit so you don't choke.
Choke on it, Forrest!
Oh, only a little bit.
Yeah. Drink it all. Drink down my milky white liquid.
Oh. Come on. There we go. Oh, that was quick.
And that baby can chug.
Burpee time.
Chug, chug, chug.
He's gonna throw up on you, isn't she?
Oh,
Baby
good
boy.
job, Emily. Hmm? You're feeling good now, right? Now, I'm gonna rock you very gently so you can have a nice little snooze.
Shake the baby. Shake the baby. Come on, rock properly. There you go.
That's it,
Rock
Stefan.
my baby.
Yeah, I'm doing this good.
You're gonna be a genius dad one day, Stefan.
Yeah, as long as it only needs joystick movements, I can do. Oh!
You dropped the baby.
Oh, sorry, kid. You're not done rocking, right?
Oh god damn it!
Have some more care.
You're actually trying and you can't. Oh. Go on, Stefan. Learn home economics. Gently.
No!
No.
Stop drawing it out!
You know, I'm giving no quarter, it should ask for none!
Sorry, kid.
The grind in this
You're not
game.
done rocking, right?
Oh god.
I almost got raped, and you can't put a baby to bed.
Yeah.
Please, just put it to bed nicely this time.
Okay.
Now gently. Gently.
Oh, for the love of God, be good.
Easy.
Oh my God. Slowly, what are you doing?
Exactly. Now shake the cage.
Shit, the cage is a plan.
It's a baby cage!
The bird died, why can't the baby die?
What up?
What, suicidal mother isn't criminal?
You lean on the
Thanks
wall,
for
I
looking
think. That's
after
what it
my
was
baby. I didn't want to leave her.
So now what are we
Just
gonna
couldn't
do?
cope anymore.
for. Stand and talk to her.
You fell to some bed.
Just not having Jeremy around. He was such a good boy.
Oh, she lost Jeremy.
Can't understand why anyone would want to hurt him.
Do you take care of this baby on your own? Doesn't Jeremy's father live with you anymore?
He disappeared. The day after Jeremy.
Do we have a
I
suspect
don't know
now?
what happened to him.
No, I think what it's suggesting is that he got the box
Maybe.
like Ethan did.
Yeah. And then failed the
You
trial.
Maybe he
failed.
couldn't take it. Ever since I've had to look after Emily all on my own and I couldn't do it anymore.
I understand. Did your husband say anything before he disappeared? Did he leave a note or something?
No. He left the house without a word and there was just the cell phone.
A cell phone?
Oh.
Yeah, I found a cell phone in his dresser.
There's no video in it.
I'm sure it wasn't his. I'd never seen it before. I tried to turn it on, but it didn't work.
Do you still have it?
Yeah, it's in a drawer in the living room. You can have it if you'd like. I'm sure it's of more use to you.
I
than
bet
me.
the private detective solves it before the FBI.
Do you have any family or
Despite all his
anybody to
gadgets.
help you?
Put a bed on it.
Yeah. My mother.
Yeah, it's because my guy, you know, makes no
didn't
friends
wanna
along
ask
the way.
her
He
for
solves every
anything.
problem with his fists.
And the
We
gun.
don't
at the
really
end.
get along.
Exactly.
But I guess I'm out of options.
Oh, you're going to shit a brick
Well,
at
look
some
after yourself.
Oh.
You are.
And
You
Bill.
are definitely going to shit a brick at some point,
I
Stefan.
will. I promise.
It's weird, like, the private detective is following it up like Morgan Freeman from Seven. Like, following all, like, the killer's ploys and little plans. And then the FBI agent is just, like, working out all the statistics, like, analysis and stuff. He's more like Brad Pitt. Although Brad Pitt didn't really actually do anything, so...
Well, he shot Kevin Spacey.
He killed an
in-
apprehended
yeah.
killer. The same type of cell phone.
Actually, it's not. It's kind of different, but still.
If you had like brand sponsorship, that would be just.
A Nokia.
Orange.
Send your ransom notes.
Good luck, Emily. You take care of your mama.
She can't even take care of herself.
Baby.
Now leave. You can get out the front door now.
That's not how I go.
What?
He always goes through the back door. Bow, bow, wow.
Oh my god. I was asking for that, wasn't I?
Go look for some more prostitutes.
Okay, whose turn is it after me? I mean him.
Go. Did you go?
Baby.
I'm just leaving.
See, you just solved the problem without punching anyone.
Yeah. I did punch suicide in the face though, so I still count it.